Happy Friday, everyone. Check this out. So, on my latest furnace, I had this problem. You probably saw it in one of my other pour videos, but I got a crack in the lid almost like the second time I did a pour with this brand new ToAuto, right? But, so I got in touch with the company, and their response was, "We got you, buddy. Here, try this out." So, very great customer service. We'll just leave it at that, and we will get to unboxing and showing you guys what they sent. Stick around. J Dog, Metally Corrupted, out.